Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today is yet another new Seiko diver. But the package came to me really badly dented. I hope everything inside is fine. Just gonna go ahead and cut it open. So thank goodness everything is fine inside the cardboard box. In honesty, they should have used some peanut or foam to keep the watch box in place, but never mind, let's go ahead. So before we continue with the unboxing video, some of you must be very curious as to why I can continue to buy watches without my wife terminating me. Now here's a secret to share with you, Watch Kakis. Now my secret now is to hug my wife for a good 10 minutes before we sleep every night and sing a lullaby to her. I'm sure that is going to work. Alright, with that, you can continue to buy watches. Once your wife is asleep, go online and click on the purchases and enjoy your new watches. You're welcome. So the packing tape was really very difficult to remove, and finally we're here. You're seeing the Seiko white cardboard retail box and the standard blue inner box. See what we've got inside. There we have it. That's the watch that I just ordered, the Pepsi Samurai. Alright, really nice diver, samurai K-shape with all the angular cuts. So we've got the Pepsi Samurai in the house. Reference number is SRPB53 if I'm not wrong. And here it is, SRPB53K1. I think this is called the International Edition. So got a really nice hobnail textured dial and a very distinct Pepsi kind of dial. Pepsi kind of bezel. I'm liking the dial already. It's really good looking. And I would say that the strap is the same Seiko strap that I got. The same strap that came along with the solar tuner a few weeks back. So over here we got really nice knurling. Let's try and see if the crown action is good. 2 notches to go to hand setting. Let's see if everything lines up properly. Okay, alignment is pretty good. Okay, let's try to wind a little bit. Get that movement to start rolling. Okay, crown action is pretty decent. Let's check the bezel alignment. Slightly off as expected with Seiko. Alright, the alignment is slightly off, but I think I'm okay with it. It's not a big deal. And this is a standard 120 click bezel. Again, I'm very happy with the purchase. These watches, the Samurais, the Turtles, the solar tuners, they sit right at the basement of the Pro Spec series, so the pricing is pretty attractive at this point, and I think they are a very good base for collection. Alright, I'll get into a full review in the next few weeks. Stay tuned. I'll see ya.